Welcome back to the channel. Today's another 2 Minute Tuesday, so let's get after it. Alright everyone, so today we're going to be talking about wiring up your rig. There's a few very important parts to it, but the most important for me is protecting my wires from becoming exposed. And to keep that from happening, I like to use this Alex Tech wiring harness. It's an expandable wiring harness. It comes in 100 foot. It's great to use. I love using it because it's abrasion resistant and it expands, so you can put more than just one in there. You remember those Chinese finger handcuffs? It's about like that. You push it together, push your wire through, and then let it go. Now, the ends tend to like to fray. You can simply take a lighter and burn the ends a little bit, and that'll keep it from fraying as much. But also, once you put it on your wire, to keep the ends completely together, use a little bit of heat shrink, and that'll keep it all nice and secure and keep it from slipping around and moving on your wires. This stuff is great. I recommend everybody have it. It's abrasion resistant. We use it on the outside of our rig and on the inside of our rig, and I can't say enough good things about it. Now, with that being said, that's pretty much it for the 2 Minute Tuesday. However, if we get 50 likes on this video, 50 thumbs up, I will pick one of my subscribers and I will send you a roll of this Alex Tech wiring harness for free. So go hit that thumbs up button, smash that thing. Be sure to subscribe. We're gonna bring you a lot more 2 Minute Tuesdays, and hopefully some of this helps you guys. In the meantime, get out, enjoy the trails, and we'll see you all out there. Bye now.